How to export a ChatGPT chat to Google Docs on PC. This tutorial shows you how to use a Chrome extension to send your ChatGPT conversations directly to Google Docs. First, open a new tab on your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. If you are on Firefox or any other browser, go to that browser's own extension store instead. After that, type ChatGPT to Docs in the search bar. From there, look for the extension by thinksolve.com called ChatGPT to Google Docs and click on it. At this point, click on Add to Chrome at the top right corner of the page. In the next step, click on Add Extension when the confirmation pop-up appears. Following this, once the extension is installed, go ahead and refresh your ChatGPT page. Once done, you will now see new icons appear at the top right corner of your ChatGPT interface. From here, click on the first icon to export your entire conversation to Google Docs. At this stage, you will be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the account you want the document saved to. Finally, once selected, your ChatGPT conversation will be automatically exported and saved as a Google Doc in the Gmail account you logged in with. And that's it. If this guide helped you export your ChatGPT chat to Google Docs, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.